like about now. Recording. Ow. This is the Mooncake Festival. For your information, from Angry Birds, download Angry Birds Season for iPhone and iPhone Touch.
What's this one? Android.
And Android too. You have to download this. This is the Mooncake Festival. It's totally nuts. This is the season's Mooncake Festival. Summer picnic. Easter eggs. Go green, get lucky. Hugs and kisses. Seed ingredients. Trick or treat. And the Angry Birds Zone. We all love the shops. Get yours now. For iPhone and iPhone Touch. Yeah, you should really get this. This is awesome and good for us. So, bye!